Good evening again, folks. Good evening. It's 7:12 p.m. on October 12th, 19. This is the Word for Today, Part 2. This is the Word for Today, Part 2. And today we're going to go to He restores my soul for His name's sake. That is in Psalm 23:3. Psalm 23, verse 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Okay, folks, the next message I received was He knows about my broken heart. He is near to the brokenhearted. This is found in Psalm 34:18. Psalm 34 and 18. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is near to those who have a broken heart and saves such as have a contrite spirit. Okay, the next message is He is near to those who seek Him diligently. This is found in Psalm 145, verse 18. Okay, Psalm 145, verse 18. The Lord is near to all who call upon Him, to all who call upon Him in truth. Also, Hebrews 11:6. That's Hebrews 11:6. But without faith it is impossible to please Him, for he who comes to God must believe that He is, and that He is a rewarder of those who diligently seek Him. All right, folks, that's part 2 for the Word of today. That's part 2. I thank you for your time, for being with me. God bless you all. God loves you, and so do I. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Part 3 is up next. Stand by for part 3. Part 3 will be up in just a few seconds. So stand by for part 3 for the Word of the Day. This is part 2 for the Word of the Day. Part 3 will be up in just a few seconds. Thank you, and have a great day.